Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make white chicken chili. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make white chicken chili. So let's head down here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with 18 ounces of cooked chicken meat, about a quarter cup of oil, 1 yellow onion, 2 large garlic cloves, 1 4-ounce can of green chilies, a half a cup of corn. Then we're going to go with about 6 cups of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of chili seasoning, 2 cans of pinto beans, and 8 ounces of some cream cheese to bring it all together. Let's start doing our prep and then we'll head over and start cooking. Alright, only prep we really got is to cut up this onion. I've already opened the cans with our other ingredients for the beans and the chilies. So just basically want to just chop up our onion and just get it right in the bowl. Let's head over to our pan. Alright, as we always do, our mise en place. We got our pot, we have got our utensils, we've got all of our ingredients all ready to go. I'm going to throw this back on the tripod. Alright, we got our pan on medium-high heat. Let that oil get hot. Go ahead and throw your onions in, your corn, and your chilies. And let that start to cook. Alright, we got all the ingredients in here are hot and cooking now. I'm going to just go ahead and throw this chicken that we bought. It is always in your store, over in the deli section where the meat is. You will find cooked chicken somewhere, I guarantee you that, and it's usually on sale. I got these 2 packs for $5. I'm just going to dump it right in there. This will break apart as all of this starts to cook, and we're going to help that along by throwing the lid on and letting the heat do its magic. Alright, we got some heat going on here in all of this. This chicken's going to start breaking up now. Now right now I'm going to go ahead and throw the seasoning in there. This is just basic chili seasoning. You can find it anywhere in the store. I'm going to leave a link right here to my store where you can buy the chili seasoning as well, which is what we're using in this video. Next you want to just put your garlic in there. It's already starting to smell really good. Alright, turn it down just a little bit. I'm going to put the lid right back on there and let it continue to simmer. Now the chicken is just breaking apart really nice. Saves you a little bit of time on the prep because you don't really have to do it ahead of time because it will fall apart in the pan, and that just makes it fun to do, especially when you're building a dish in one pot. You're creating something. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take our chicken stock that we've got here, get this back over the heat, mix it right back up again, and I'm just going to pour 4 cups of this. It says 6, but I'm going to go 4 just to start out with because I want to make sure that that's not too much. Not that I don't trust the recipe, but I want to just make sure that we're not adding too much liquid into this. And if we do, there's a trick that I can show you. Alright, it's covered up. Let it get hot again. I want to bring it up to a boil. Alright, we are at a rolling boil. So let's just check it out and see where we're at. It looks good. Now I have taken the cream cheese out. I took it out a while ago so it would not be cold and chilled like it was in the refrigerator, and it'll make it a lot easier to temper this right into our hot food. So I am just going to take, you can cut it into cubes and put it in here as you want to. Best thing to do, just stick it right in the middle there, cover it back up, turn down the heat. Okay, so we've had a little bit of time. with that cream cheese being in there. Let's take our whip now. And it should, just like that, break up and just dissolve right into the liquid. At the same time, we can use our whip to kind of break up some of that chicken as well. Now you want to add your beans last, because you don't want to be doing this with the beans in there, or else that just breaks them up and you don't really have beans anymore. You've just got broken up pieces of beans in there. So I'm going to let this go just a little bit. I think we're good with the liquid. I think the 4 cups instead of 6 was better. Okay, I have got everything in there. Let's go ahead and add our beans. I'm going to leave it uncovered. We're going to let it reduce just a little bit. Alright, so this has been simmering for about 10-15 minutes now. All the flavors have married. We are going to now boil this up. We're going to take some awesome photos up for social media. We're going to put those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Beautiful photo shoot with some beautiful soup. So now we're going to give it a taste. Very, very hot. Let's get the broth first. A lot going on in there. Taste everything in there, the onions and the garlic and the green chilies that we started off with. It's very prominent throughout. And that corn in there as well. I know corn doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, but it does add a little bit of sweetness. Some of that chicken. You can add a lot to this to add more texture and flavor as well. Corn chips, you can add jalapenos in there. I added cheese, of course. You throw avocado on top. Whatever you want in the way of tortilla strips. Whatever you want to do. You don't have to use the beans. You can cook your own chicken. You can do whatever you want. This, of course, as I always do, I try to make easy recipes for people on the go that are at home that want to cook restaurant quality food. So don't forget to check out where my seasoning shop is right here. This is the chili seasoning that we used in this. It's very good. I'll leave a link again right here for my Etsy shop. Go ahead and check that out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and then share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourselves. We will see you again next time. Bye-bye.